This is to show you how to format your photos to be printed out. So first thing you want to do is open your photo in Photoshop. If you already have a Photoshop file of it, great. If not, come up to File, go to Open, and then go find your photo. I'm going to do, this is my example here. First thing we're going to do is format it to the size so it fits on our printer paper. What you do for that is come up to Image, all the way at the top, go to Image Size. So we're going to do two things. We're going to change the size and the resolution. You have to determine, look at your photo. Mine's portrait orientation. If it's taller than it is wider, and landscape orientation, it would be wider than it is taller. The longest dimension needs to be set at, we can do 11, since that's, the printer paper is 8.5 by 11. So it can't exceed those dimensions. So I'm going to go to my height. I'm going to change it to 11 and make sure it changes the width to 8.25. That's perfect. That'll fit on our paper. The second thing I want to look at is my resolution here. So a screen resolution, wonderful at 72. Printing resolution, we want to do about 300. So just go ahead and set it to that. Something you might run into, is the sizing. Make sure that it's going to fit on 8.5 by 11. Your dimensions can't be any bigger than that, or else it'll get cropped. Resolution 300, click OK. So that's step one, and it'll take a minute to come up with a preview of that. Oh, it didn't do a preview. No worries. Next step is the file format. So we're going to go to File and Save a Copy, just like you guys normally do. Mine is already, I did this before, so it's set at TIFF. Yours might be set at Photoshop, whatever you last used. What you want to choose is what you saw mine set at. So the TIFF file, it's a big file, typically used in for photographs. It maintains all of your color. The quality of your photo is really great, and it's compatible with printing at the higher resolutions. The difference between the TIFF and the JPEG is that the JPEG compresses an image and you lose some of the quality. So it won't be as nice of a print if you print from a JPEG. So that's why we're using a TIFF. There's a whole lot more detail I could go into, but I'm going to just keep it simple. So TIFF is the file format type. Make sure you know where you're saving it. Maybe to make it even easier on you, stay organized, you can name it my Magnolia TIFF. Then I'm going to click Save. I can just click OK. I don't want to compress the image. You'll see it, the little blue progress bar at the bottom there. And that's it. Then what you need to do is take that TIFF file format, put it in Schoology to let me know that's the print, that's what you would like printed out.